Good morning everyone. Yes, it still is a sad day, but we gotta move on. Still gotta do the chores at the farm, get stuff done. We still got some raking to do. It is about 9 o'clock in the morning. Still gotta do some raking and mowing. So it's gonna be a busy day. Not for sure how the day is going to go, but hopefully it won't be too bad today. But other than that, that's so far what I know needs to be done is the finishing raking and the baling. And then hopefully I can hop on some mowing and get some mowing done. If not, then I'm not for sure. But if you guys would keep me and my family in your prayers and thoughts through this hard time. But thank you guys for watching my channel and helping my channel to grow. And hopefully I will be able to do some videos of working at the shop or doing something at the shop, but right now it's on hold. The landlord did turn the power off, so I guess she's having some problems, money issues or something. I'm not really for sure. I was kind of hoping, because I can't even use the building yet, so I don't know what's really going to happen with all that yet, because I'm not making that much money because of everything going on right now. So that's kind of a stress too, but I can do what I can and just go on, and hopefully it goes better or not, but hopefully I can be able to get my business up and running. Just looking for the right person that would help me do that. But other than that, thank you guys for watching my channel. Subscribe to it, follow it. I do have Instagram. The link will be below for my Instagram channel. So I will talk to you all later. Have a good day. Hello, welcome. We are backing up he's backing up the hay rake, and I got one of them that's missing. Didn't know it come off the thing, so that's kind of interesting. But yeah, there's one missing. As you can see where it's at. Alright, that's it for now. Hello, welcome back. Sorry about the wind. I wanted to show you our hay barn. It's kind of a mess here, as you can tell. But that's all for now.